Gather your materials and follow along to make this easy 3-ingredient DIY Puffy Sidewalk paint. It's a perfect project to get the family outdoors and spend some time being creative. You need 1 cup of flour, 1 cup of water, a half a cup of shaving cream, washable paint, a gallon-sized freezer bag, and plastic squirt bottles. Inside the freezer bag, add the flour and water. Secure the closure and mix well using your hands from the outside so that there are no clumps. Add a half a cup of shaving cream. I didn't measure mine out, I just guessed. Cut the end of the bag and pipe some of the mixture into each bottle. Don't cut the end too large or it will be difficult to get it into the bottle. Once you have some in each bottle, add some different colored paint to each bottle, secure the top, and shake it up. Now have your kids draw different designs along the sidewalk. These are sure to make for a fun crafting afternoon. Thanks for watching and make sure to like and subscribe.